Good evening, gentlemen. In this evening session, let me take the pleasure to share the knowledge as I used to share always. Whatever knowledge I have in my briefcase, I am trying always to share with the people, and basically all these knowledge are for the beginners in any stream, in any domain. How to be a leader, how to be motivator, what is the work knowledge, how to perform, what is the competency, what is the individual competency, what is the individual efficiency, what is the performance. All these things, what obstacle I have faced to begin with my professional career, I am always talking to you people with an aim that it will help you all. Now, one very common thing is there, that when we born, from that time to till the end of the life, one is the very common, that is the problem. Wherever you see, there is the problem. Then question arises, and same is in professional life also, because professional life is nothing but it is the part of the whole life. Life is the golden highway, professional life is the important turn and a big highway going in different direction. Life is generally personal life, social life. Professional life is when you are performing, when you are working, your proficiency, all these things. The highway of the professional life is smaller than the life highway. The important thing is that how to sort out the problem. Then you see what is the problem solving ability in individual. I always give the example of horse and cart. Horse, घोड़ा, हम लोग, we are. Who perform, who pull the cart is the horse, and who performs in the world is the horse, in the shape of the man. So, what is expected from horse, from you, is that horse is horse if it jump out the cart. बग्गी खींचते जा रहा है, बग्गी टूट गई, तो कुछ प्रॉब्लम होते हैं, कुछ सिचुएशन सर्कमस्टांसेस होते हैं कि पूरी टूटी बग्गी हार्स को डैमेज कर देता है, हार्स वहीं गिर जाता है. लेकिन जो इफिशिएंट, अलर्टफुल हार्स होते हैं, इंसान होते हैं, उनकी लाइफ में जब उनके चलते चलते उनकी कोई शटडाउन आ जाता है, तो उस शटडाउन से आहत नहीं होते हैं. दे जंप आउट दी कार्ट. जो बग्गी का हिस्सा है, जहाँ से हार्स को मौका मिलता है, इमीडिएटली वो सेंस करता है, क्योंकि वो अलर्ट रहता है, और जैसे ही बग्गी टूटी, इमीडिएटली वो विदाउट द वेस्ट ऑफ टाइम ही जंप्स आउट द कार्ट. कार्ट के बाहर कूद के निकल जाता है, प्रॉब्लम से बाहर निकल जाता है. प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग इज फर्स्ट स्टेप टू कीप योर सेल्फ अवे फ्रॉम द प्रॉब्लम. देन स्टडी द प्रॉब्लम causes, and then make the analysis, and for the betterment, for the entire betterment, then you use your IQ, EQ, AQ, SQ and SQ to work out the solution out of your research and development. Mind always does the R&D. You notice or it go beyond your notice. क्यों हुआ, कैसे हुआ, किधर हुआ, कहाँ हुआ, analysis. So out of all these things, you use your all 5 quotient, and whichever is fitting into looking to the nature of the problem, you sort it out and give the new way to perform. Any problem came, either you tell me or I tell you. Any problems while on working, any problem comes to you, you will say, now what to do? Leave it. I cannot do. You cannot do, maybe because of the skill knowledge, because of the any other environment, but at least you can do something. You can progress the problem. You can bring the problem in the knowledge of the process owner of such person who is responsible for its repairs and maintenance, if it is related to the repairs and maintenance. लाइफ में कोई प्रॉब्लम आ गया, maybe because of the behavioral shutdown, maybe because of the financial crunch, maybe because of the any social reason, maybe because of the any personal reason. Problems are enormous. Don't expect that I will talk about few problems. No, you all are surrounded, we all are surrounded with the problem. सांस लेने में भी प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है, देखने में भी प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है, परफॉर्म करने में भी प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है, बॉस के साथ डील करने में भी प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है, पीयर्स एंड सबऑर्डिनेट के साथ भी डील करने में प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है. हमको जो है अपने अदर डिपार्टमेंट, इंटरफेस डिपार्टमेंट से बात करने में तकलीफ हो रहा है. तो तकलीफ तो हर जगह हो रहा है. सो व्हाट टू डू? सो दिस topic says that God has given ability in each individual before he pours the problem on the individual. प्रॉब्लम देने के पहले भगवान ने सॉल्यूशन की सोच दिया है. इट इज ओनली अप टू अस, इट इज इन बिटवीन एफर्ट, इंडिविजुअल थॉट्स, इंडिविजुअल प्रैक्टिकल मंथन, that if this problem has come, then what is the solution of it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, have the option and choose the best one and proceed. Technical problem is there, technical solutions are there. Go to the repairs and maintenance, go to the workshop people. Behavioral problem आ गया, which I have discussed with you in this video itself. सर मुझे ये प्रॉब्लम आ रहा है. Then first you sort out before you going to your senior. If problem, see, this depends on the nature of the problem. Nature of the problem is very important in this case. If nature of problems are beyond to your control, then definitely you have to go to your upper level or directly to the process owner. But first you use your brain that how this problem sorted out, and maybe out of that wisdom which supports you in solving out the problem, that wisdom may give solution to you, and then you can sort out the problem. You might have seen that the people working with you, few people are champion. Before the problem comes, they find out the solution. They work only on the solution. और आप बोलते भी हैं, अरे यार इस आदमी को तो कोई प्रॉब्लम आता है तुरंत इसको सोल्यूशन निकाल लेता है, और उसी जगह पे, उसी इन्वायरमेंट में, उसी छत के नीचे आपको कोई छोटी भी प्रॉब्लम आ जाती है तो आप जो है यू मेक द नॉइज, बिकॉज योर अप्रोच टू प्रॉब्लम इज जीरो. बिकॉज आई टोल्ड यू ना दैट हाउ टू अप्रोच द प्रॉब्लम, remain away so that you are not affected adversely. Then approach the problem. क्यों प्रॉब्लम हुआ, रिसर्च एंड डेवलपमेंट करें, and after that then you find out the solution from your own efforts. Chapter is very big, topic is very big. Days together we can talk on this. In my video, limitation is there, that is the time's limitation, and these videos we are preparing to bring the awareness in the people, so that in our full seminar people can go for the detailed hearing and discussion. May I take your leave? Let me say Jai Hind to you all of.